Costa Rica, a natural paradise. This small yet incredibly diverse country is a gem in Central America. Costa Rica is a small country in Central America, nestled between Nicaragua and Panama. But don't let its size fool you. It's bursting with incredible natural beauty, from its dense rainforests to its stunning coastlines. From pristine beaches to lush rainforests, Costa Rica has it all. The country's diverse landscapes offer something for everyone. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you enjoy hiking through dense jungles or zip-lining above the treetops, there's an adventure waiting for you. Imagine yourself surrounded by vibrant wildlife. The colors and sounds of nature here are simply mesmerizing. You can hear the calls of exotic birds, each one more fascinating than the last. Bird watching here is a truly unique experience. Monkeys swing through the trees above you, adding a playful energy to the serene environment. Costa Rica is a feast for the senses. The sights, sounds, and even the smells of this natural paradise will captivate you. This small country is a giant when it comes to biodiversity. Its ecosystems are teeming with life. It's home to over 5% of the world's plant and animal species. The sheer variety of flora and fauna is astounding. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual beachgoer, Costa Rica has something to offer everyone. The trails and beaches are equally inviting. Are you ready to discover the best scenery in Costa Rica? Let's begin our journey and explore this natural paradise together. Costa Rica's Pacific coast is a dream destination. It's famous for its stunning beaches, world-class surfing, and breathtaking sunsets. Imagine yourself relaxing on golden sands, the warm Pacific Ocean lapping at your feet. One of the most popular destinations on the Pacific coast is Manuel Antonio National Park. This park is a unique combination of rainforest and coastline. It's home to an abundance of wildlife, including monkeys, sloths, and colorful birds. Another must-visit destination is the Nicoya Peninsula. This peninsula is known for its laid-back atmosphere and picturesque beaches. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, explore the rainforest, or catch some waves, the Pacific coast of Costa Rica has something for everyone. Manuel Antonio National Park is a gem on Costa Rica's Pacific coast. It's a unique combination of lush rainforest and pristine beaches. This makes it a truly special place to visit. The park is home to an incredible diversity of wildlife. You might spot sloths hanging from the trees. Monkeys swing through the canopy overhead. Colorful toucans call out from the branches. Take a hike through the rainforest and cool off with a swim in the crystal clear waters. Keep an eye out for the playful monkeys. They are known for their mischievous antics. Manuel Antonio National Park is a must-see destination for any visitor to Costa Rica. It's a true testament to the country's incredible natural beauty. Costa Rica's Caribbean coast offers a different kind of paradise. It's known for its laid-back atmosphere, Afro-Caribbean culture, and stunning beaches. The pace of life here is slower and more relaxed. You can spend your days exploring the beaches, swimming in the warm waters, or simply soaking up the sun. The Caribbean coast is also home to Tortuguero National Park. This park is a haven for wildlife. It's famous for its sea turtle nesting sites. If you're looking for a truly unique and unforgettable experience, be sure to add Costa Rica's Caribbean coast to your itinerary. Section 5. Tortuguero National Park, a haven for wildlife. Tortuguero National Park is a remote and pristine wilderness area. It's located on Costa Rica's Caribbean coast. The park is a network of canals, lagoons, and rainforest. This makes it a truly magical place to explore. Tortuguero is most famous for its sea turtle nesting sites. 4 species of sea turtle nest on the park's beaches. These include the endangered green turtle. Witnessing these magnificent creatures come ashore to lay their eggs is an unforgettable experience. It's a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. But Tortuguero is much more than just sea turtles. The park is also home to a wide variety of other wildlife. This includes monkeys, sloths, caimans, and over 300 species of birds. Section 7. Arenal Volcano, a beacon of beauty and power. Arenal Volcano is one of Costa Rica's most active volcanoes, known for its frequent eruptions and dynamic landscape. It's also one of its most popular tourist destinations, attracting thousands of visitors each year who come to witness its grandeur. The volcano is a perfect cone shape, a classic example of a stratovolcano, which adds to its striking appearance. It rises majestically from the rainforest floor, creating a dramatic contrast with the lush greenery that surrounds it. For many years, Arenal Volcano put on a spectacular show of lava flows and ash eruptions, lighting up the night sky with its fiery displays. Today, the volcano is in a resting phase, but its presence is still felt throughout the region. But it's still an awe-inspiring sight to behold, standing tall and proud against the horizon. The area around Arenal Volcano is teeming with life, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna that thrive in its fertile soils. You can find hot springs, waterfalls, and hiking trails, offering a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, with opportunities for birdwatching, zip-lining, and more. Take a dip in the Tabacan hot springs, where you can relax and unwind in the soothing waters. Their mineral-rich waters are heated by the volcano, providing a natural spa experience like no other. Or hike through the rainforest to the La Fortuna waterfall, a stunning cascade that plunges into a crystal-clear pool. There you can cool off with a refreshing swim, surrounded by the beauty of the tropical rainforest. As the day comes to an end, watch the sunset over Arenal Volcano, casting a golden glow over the landscape and creating a picture-perfect moment. Section 8. Poas Volcano, a glimpse into the Earth's fury. Poas Volcano is another one of Costa Rica's most impressive volcanoes. It's located just a short drive from the capital city of San Jose. Poas Volcano is home to one of the largest and most active volcanic craters in the world. The crater is filled with a stunning turquoise-colored lake. It emits plumes of steam and gas. It's a stark reminder of the raw power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. The views from the crater rim are simply breathtaking. On a clear day, you can see for miles in every direction. Be sure to visit the nearby Botos Lagoon. It's a peaceful oasis that offers a stark contrast to the volcanic landscape. Section 9. Monteverde Cloud Forest Wonderland. Monteverde is a magical place, a true gem of nature that captivates everyone who visits. It's located in the highlands of Costa Rica, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich biodiversity. It's famous for its stunning cloud forests, which are among the most beautiful and unique ecosystems in the world. These forests are shrouded in mist and fog, creating a mystical and serene environment. This creates an otherworldly atmosphere, making you feel as if you've stepped into a different realm. Walking through a cloud forest is like stepping into a fairy tale, where every turn reveals a new wonder. The air is cool and damp, and the trees are draped in mosses and lichens, adding to the enchanting ambience. Monteverde is home to an incredible diversity of plant and animal life, making it a paradise for nature lovers. This includes over 400 species of birds, each more colorful and fascinating than the last. 100 species of mammals, ranging from tiny rodents to majestic big cats. 2,500 species of plants, each contributing to the lush and vibrant ecosystem. One of the best ways to experience Monteverde is to take a walk on one of the many hanging bridges, which offer a unique perspective of the forest. These bridges offer incredible views of the forest canopy, allowing you to see the forest from a bird's-eye view. You might even spot a sloth or a monkey relaxing in the trees, adding to the magical experience of Monteverde. As the day ends, the forest takes on a golden hue, making it a perfect time to reflect on the beauty and wonder of this cloud forest wonderland. Section 10. The Hidden Gems, exploring beyond the tourist trail. While Costa Rica's popular tourist destinations are certainly worth visiting, there are also many hidden gems to discover. These off-the-beaten-path destinations offer a chance to experience the country's true beauty and tranquility. Head to the remote Osa Peninsula. It's one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Visit the Pacuari River Lodge. It's an eco-lodge located in the heart of the rainforest. Or explore the caves of Venado. They are home to stunning formations of stalactites and stalagmites. No matter where you go in Costa Rica, you're sure to find something to amaze and inspire you. Section 11. Discover your own adventure. What's next? So there you have it. A taste of the best scenery in Costa Rica. From its stunning beaches to its lush rainforests and majestic volcanoes, Costa Rica is a country that will take your breath away. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which part of the world would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content.